The term spiritual bypassing has gained quite a bit of buzz lately, but it's like a chameleon, taking on different shades of meaning depending on who you ask. Picture this. At the heart of this concept is a sneaky urge to dodge our realities. It's like playing favorites with our experiences, where we embrace the sunny ones with open arms while shoving the dark and stormy ones into a closet somewhere. Now, this tendency doesn't just cause a few ripples. It creates a whole storm of issues. We're talking about psychological chaos, a merry-go-round of cravings and aversions, and inner battles that could rival the fiercest gladiator showdowns. And for folks who've weathered the storms of trauma, it's like pouring gasoline on an already raging fire. Let's dive into some real-life examples of spiritual bypassing. Imagine dodging negative thoughts like Neo dodging bullets in The Matrix. But instead of mastering the art of bullet dodging, we're mastering the art of toxic positivity. We're so busy basking in rainbows and sunshine that we forget the clouds exist. Or how about this? We become addicted to those blissful, out-of-body experiences, chasing the high of astral realms while neglecting the down-to-earth reality of our human experience. And let's not forget the classic move of slapping a band-aid of compassion or forgiveness on deep-seated wounds without actually cleaning them out. It's like trying to cover up a gushing wound with a sticker and hoping it'll heal on its own. But here's the kicker. It's not just about these experiences themselves. It's about getting hooked on them like they're the latest Netflix binge. We start believing they hold the key to unlocking eternal bliss and ending our suffering. Now, don't get me wrong. Spiritual experiences are like fireworks for the soul. They light up the sky and leave us in awe. But without a roadmap and a sturdy compass, they can easily lead us off a cliff into addiction territory, where we're chasing highs like a junkie looking for their next fix. And let me tell you, this seeking mentality can lead us down some dark alleys. We're talking cult memberships, isolating ourselves from loved ones, and getting fleeced by self-proclaimed gurus faster than you can say namaste. But here's the silver lining. There's a real difference between having a spiritual experience and having a full-blown awakening. It's like the difference between dipping your toe in the ocean and diving headfirst into the depths. An awakening isn't just a fleeting experience. It's a seismic shift in how we see ourselves and the world around us. Instead of chasing after fleeting highs, true awakening allows us to anchor ourselves in the here and now, to embrace life's messiness with open arms. It's about finding that stillness in the chaos, that calm in the storm. For those of us who've faced down demons and dragons, it's a reminder that we're not defined by our pasts. We're not victims. We're warriors, survivors, and damn resilient ones at that.